Hello class, I'm going to show you real quick how you're going to download the questions for the Socratic form today, as well as how you're going to be taking notes during class. So I'm up here on the page, Protest Music Day 5, 6, Socratic Seminar. So we've already completed the play pause it from yesterday, so I'm scrolling down, and this is what we worked on Tuesday. So the grade 9-12 Socratic Seminar rules and rubric. I'm going to click on that. It's just going to open up in a sidebar down at the bottom. Click to open again. Now it says be careful, files on the internet can contain viruses. Unless you need to edit, it's safer to say and protected you. Well, we're going to edit, so you're going to hit enable editing. And that's where you're going to have the questions that we're going to be using for. So how does music communicate? Do famous musicians or artists have societal or historical influences? What makes a song memorable? Etc., etc. There are a total of 10 questions that you need to have in preparation that should have been done before class today. And of course, these are all based on your specific protest song. Once you've completed that, we're going to just read through the introduction. Now that you've gathered some information on protest music and its impact in society, your teacher would like for you to speak about what you've learned so far in the Socratic Seminar. You can read these instructions on your own. We're going to keep scrolling down. This is what's important, okay? Altogether, your assessment will be worth 20 points. Okay, 10 points will be for your verbal participation and 10 points for your note-taking submission. See below for the grading rubric and scale. I'll let you read that rubric on your own before we start, as well as the note-taking grading scale. So if you do 4 annotations, that's 4 different people, you get 10 points, 3 is 8. 2 is 6 points, and 1 is 4. If you don't do any completed annotations, it's 0. Okay, so these are the notes that you're going to be taking during the class, Socratic seminar as well. So notice that you can put in names as you go. Oops. So if you did your name here, or the name of the student that you are going to be, actually be annotating. So let's just go ahead and pick John. So John is student number 1. Let's say I ask John a question from where he's answering 1A. Then I would put John's response here. John says ... Okay? Source or reference. So what did he say? So from what song? So what song did he pick? John's song was ... And then finally, how does this student's response connect with or differ from your position? John has a similar position. Oops. Position to be because both of our songs speak about standing up for your rights. Your rights. Okay. So that would be completing 1 annotation. You're now going to go back and do the same thing for a second person. So let's say your second person, I would do this couple things of space, and then I would say Andy would be next. And Andy would be doing question 2B. And then Andy's response, and then so on and so forth. I'm not too worried about the layout of this because this is just for you. This is your note-taking ability. If you would rather do this on a piece of paper, that is totally fine. This is not what you're submitting. This is just your notes, okay? You're going to be annotating and turning in this assessment in the discussion board, and we'll talk about that right after this, okay? Thank you.